we are having this question was asked in GATE 2020 for 2 marks. This is from digital electronic subject. Question is that consider the Boolean function, this one, and this is the circuit given. Then which of the following mean term list represent the circuit given above? Okay. So first write what is the expression of this circuit. This circuit could be represented as this is our OR gate, this is AND gate, and this is NOT gate. So what is happening? A plus B dash C. This is the expression. So mean term will be listed if in whatever the cases, whatever the value you are putting A, B, C, the Z value is 1, that will the part of our answer. What I mean to say that, let us understand. A, B, C. C could be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have to find this expression wherever if A, B and C, this value we are putting. So in whatever the cases we are getting value 1, that will be selected. It's a better easy to find first B dash and B dash C. So B dash will be, here it is 0 then 1, 0 then 1. It is given 1 then 0, 1 then 0. Similar for all 1, 1, 0, 0. So B dash C is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now use this and these things for finding the value of this expression. So what are you getting? You are getting value of Z is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 and 1 and 1. So the value of Z where you are getting 1? Here, 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 here and here. What this value is representing? This value is representing 1. 1 is selected. 4, 5, 6 and 7. So our answer will be sigma 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is our answer, which is matching option number B. Okay, thank you everybody.